Ripple is constantly characterized as one of the confusing cryptocurrencies, and this confusion stems from the fact that Ripple itself is not actually a cryptocurrency, but XRP is. The terms I'll introduce are not interchangeable. Unfortunately, to grasp Ripple and XRP, we'll have to define a few fintech terms and concepts. But before we proceed further, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. In the age of facegrams and snapclouds, developers haven't exactly flocked to revolutionize the way financial institutions move money. Ripple is a suite of financial enterprise services and products powered by blockchain-like features that provide a centralized, universal currency transaction network. Ripple's goal is to create a new standard for how all types of money move. Some of Ripple's exciting products deliver a real-time gross settlement system, RTGS, currency exchange, this is where we'll see XRP, and a remittance network. Ripple uses a global general ledger made up of something like a network of private blockchains. The correct name for these blockchains that represent private and sovereign entities in the Ripple network is gateways. These gateways are the Ripple equivalent to a digital portal that companies and governments use to join the Ripple network. Collectively, this settlement environment is known as the Ripple Transaction Protocol, RTXP, or RippleNet. Once an entity joins RippleNet, it transacts with other gateways at fractions of the current cost, yet at multiple times the current speed. RippleNet also enables said entity to receive payments from any existing currency, cryptocurrency, or fiat. Ripple is built to accept any type of entity that moves massive amounts of money around the globe. Such as Apple and Amazon, companies already transacting billions with financial institutions. Ripple Labs needs revenue from selling its software to customers. People introduced to Ripple are often surprised at how non-friendly the Ripple environment is for the individual consumer. It's designed that way. Don't be surprised when it's not easy to buy XRP later. The two Ripple products we've discussed, RippleNet and Gateways, don't provide any immediate, tangible benefit. But that doesn't mean that individual consumers won't benefit from the ripples of Ripple in one way or another. Now, let's have a look at currency exchange, XRP, and the remittance network. Individuals and entities need to move money around as quickly, safely, and cost-effectively as possible. A remittance is an individual sending money to a foreign state, where a currency exchange of dollars is required. Banks provide this service. For example, pretend our personal bank account is Wells Fargo. We're sending dollars to Grandma in Mexico, who uses pesos. Best case scenario, Wells Fargo has an ATM where Grandma lives. Our remittance remains inside the Wells Fargo network, fast, safe, and cheap. Worst case scenario, Grandma lives in a small rural city with a local bank that doesn't have dollar liquidity. Now our dollar from Wells Fargo is forced out of the Wells Fargo network, most likely headed to one of the conglomerate Mexican banks, who will ultimately provide the dollar liquidity to Grandma's local bank. That's 3 networks that our remittance had to travel through. That costs some serious time, money, and security. Imagine a scenario where Grandma's local bank and Wells Fargo both have gateways and are part of the RippleNet network. Our remittance stays within the existing network and is once again fast, safe, and cheap. With both global banks and central banks joining the RippleNet, it's acting as a super effective remittance network. A key function of this remittance network is to act as a currency exchange between all types of money. This is placing XRP among the top position holders in the crypto world and making it popular. So, this was all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe.